So I still haven't figured out a name for this series yet, but we're gonna work on it if anybody ever comments. Anyway, look, dirt in a raised flower bed. Base is all wooden scraps and branches, blah blah blah, cardboard. Then this spring I flattened it out, put more cardboard on top, and then dirt on top of that. Somewhere in the middle I've already planted onion seeds, so we'll see how that all goes. Nothing planted here yet on the inside-outside bed, but I'm planting peppers. Need to get the seeds still. Still have time. If not, I'll just buy pepper plants. Anyway, little tree is getting leaves. Let's see, what else can I say real quick here? I planted all those different flowers, seeds in here. They're all different things ready to go. I've got them labeled. I've got a palm tree plant because somebody thought I'd want a palm tree in my greenhouse. There's some rose seeds, there's some other flower seeds. Those are mums if they come back. Otherwise, I'll plant something else in them. The mint's taking back over. I'm going to take a sample of mint, and the rest of it will end up getting destroyed. And I'm going to put the mint in there. And there's another kind of mint growing around the other side of the garage, wild. I'm going to take a sample of it and put it in the container over there. So far, this spring, the greenhouse is doing very, very well as far as holding heat. As you can see out there, we're at 100, and it's cloudy overcast. Yesterday, when it was full sun, it maxed out the temperature at 120. You couldn't go any higher. So I have no idea how hot it actually got inside there, so I hope it didn't kill my seeds. Probably didn't, because they're lower than the up area, and there is airflow in here. I opened it all up, but it was still 110 with the thing wide open, so kind of hot. I'm going to have to put a fan blowing air out on that side and in on this side, and we'll go from there. Let's see, inside I've got a few projects lined up on my bench. I've got music ready to play because I'm going to go out, sit on that, and pull weeds down along that stretch. I'm going to pull out anything that is not a Rose of Sharon. I just want Rose of Sharon's there this year. Anyway, and this tree I'm going to cut out. That tree I'm going to cut out, even though I planted them. Because I don't want trees anymore. I'm going to be getting rid of that big ass tree sometime this week. They're going to come and take it out. Keeps dropping branches on my roof. Not good. Anyway, that is this episode. Hey, look, somebody's going to go get water because they haven't finished a water catchment system yet. But that's all right. I got a wagon. I've got, what are those? Containers. Yes, containers. Anyway, I've got my daughter's dog to bark at things. Life is good. It's supposed to storm later, so I might as well get some work done now. Thank you all for listening, and if you're not, shame on you.